All right, that was just some sliced bananas. Now I have some Nilla wafers that I am going to place directly on top of those sliced bananas right into my trifle dish. If you love bananas, I'm telling you, this is the perfect dessert for you. All right, now we're gonna move this away and bring in a large bowl and a whisk. And we have 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese. This is going directly in my bowl, of course. I don't think it would be going anywhere else, except besides in my mouth. Okay, so, sorry guys. So just get all your whipped cream cheese out. And then we have some sweetened condensed milk. This is 14 ounces. And it's going right in on top of that cream cheese. You're gonna wanna use this whole can. All right, we scraped all of that out. If anyone knows a faster way to get that stuff out, let me know in the comments. But now I have a whisk, and I'm just gonna whisk this together, and it's gonna come together super quick. It's gonna make such a delicious, creamy filling. You just want to whisk it together until it's nice and smooth. And it helped that we use that whipped cream cheese. If you don't use that, use softened cream cheese. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to move this away. I know there's a lot going on here, but trust me, it's going to be awesome. Okay, so this is 2 3/4 cup of milk. And then we have 2 3.4 ounce boxes of instant vanilla pudding going right into our milk. I'm using reduced fat milk this time, actually, not whole. So let's see how that works out. I have another whisk here. I'm just gonna whisk this together just for a little bit. It's gonna get nice and thick and creamy. You know how pudding works. You can also use banana cream pudding for this. But I just wanted to go with the traditional vanilla. All right, and once your pudding looks kind of like cream of chicken soup, sorry to put that image in your head, you're gonna take back your condensed milk and cream cheese and then just pour that pudding right in there. So let's get that all out. All right, now that we have all that in there, we have something else to add. Cool Whip. I bet you were waiting for it. You were like, when is she gonna bring out the Cool Whip? Okay, and we're just gonna use half of this 8 ounce tub for now. So about 4 ounces of Cool Whip. And now we're just gonna combine everything together. All right, that looks awesome. Now, I bet you know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna take back our trifle and I'm gonna lather some of this, or slather. I don't know, you guys tell me, you know, how to say stuff in the comments, so I'm listening to you. We'll use slather, and you don't wanna use all of it because this is gonna be layered. So that looks pretty good for our first layer, and I'll add more if I need to. And then you're just gonna carefully spread that out. All right, that looks great. All right, now time for more banana slices. They're just gonna go right on top of that pudding mixture. All right, we got our bananas laid down. Now, of course, we just need to lay down some more Nilla wafers. Okay, now it's time for some more of this yummy stuff going right on top. Okay, so I didn't spread it completely to the edges because I want to see those layers. See how you can see the banana and the Nilla wafers? That is what we're going for. So, you know the drill. More bananas, more wafers, more pudding, and just keep layering it up till you get to the top. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of our delicious cream mixture. And we're gonna put one more. I try to make this one nice and thick because I do have a little extra in here. Okay, and we're just gonna spread that out. And now we're gonna take the remainder of that Cool Whip and put it right on top. Okay, and we're just gonna spread this. All right, there we go. That is what we were looking for. And before we do anything else with this, it has to chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Oh my gosh, you guys, this has been in my refrigerator overnight for like a whole day. Oh, I bet it's the perfect consistency. Check out those layers. Can you see the layers?
Oh yeah.
Do they look good?
Oh yeah.
All right, but before we taste this, I have one sliced banana, and I'm gonna stick these bananas right into my Cool Whip layer. You don't have to do this, but I just thought I'd give it a little more razzle dazzle. Now, we don't want our bananas to brown, so I have half a lemon here in my lemon squeezer. And I'm just gonna try to get the juice just on each little banana here. And if you don't wanna do this step, or if you think the tartness is gonna affect the flavor, just put the juice on the bananas before you put them on the dessert. And then I have some more Nilla wafers here. And I'm just gonna grab a handful and crush the Nilla wafers all over the top of our dessert here. My hands are clean. All right, we're almost done. We just need to top it off with some caramel sundae syrup. Again, this is optional, but not for me. That looks so good. Let's do a little more. Sideways. Oh, yum. Look at that. We have the best layering going on. The best part, it is time to dig into this and ruin the pretty layers, but it's so worth it because it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's so nice and firm since it was in the fridge for so long. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. I need to try it right now. Oh, you gotta make that.